guys, this is Tab here with another nintendogs+cats video. This is the French Bulldog version. I only have 4 dogs. One at my house because I have some really exciting news. I finally unlocked the voucher to get the ROBO PUP. And I have my book right here that says all of them. I'm getting a girl, black and pink. But I haven't gotten the voucher yet. I've got 7 leather, 8 plastic. I have lots of overkills except for plastic, of course leather, and shut up, Reds, and stardust. So we're just gonna zoom in the game, and I'm gonna show you Lexi. She's my golden retriever. I did not get that owner points. I did not get that owner points, like the 11,000 like they normally would do. I got the 35 days in a row, and the best way to tell would be, what is it? If you just say thank you, like because right in front of the club, the dance club or whatever it's called. Well, here's Lexi. She's my golden retriever. She's a deal, which is nice. She is my main character, so she will learn all the tricks. The reason why she's my main character, because I'm making a golden dog video when I get those stupid shapes. But I just got her like a week ago, was it? Yeah, a week ago, so I haven't gone on any walks with her because I'm working on Buddy. Not Buddy. Silly. Toby. I train one dog at a time. So my ROBO PUP will not be trained until Lexi is trained in disc and lure. She's already in amateur cup and disc. She's pretty darn good in lure coursing, because she's already in pro cup. I haven't done any obedience trial. But let's hurry up before my thing dies on me. So I'm gonna jump in. Sorry. Hey there. Hey, here at the recycle shop, take your unwanted stuff off your hands. Exchange. See that? The thank you thing, if you guys can see it. It's beside the club dog. That one means when you got the voucher, everything moves up. So like I said, I've gotten a few materials. 21 wood, 24 metal, 11 rubber, 7 leather, plastic is 8, stardust is 3, and this is what I just have. This is what you need. You need 7 wood, 5 metal, 7 rubber, 7 leather, 7 plastic, and 3 stardust. If you want everything in here for the exchange, you need 38 leather. And that's a lot of walks right there. It was a lot of walks. Okay, so, enough talking, let's get chatting. Or not get chatting. Nice, I picked up a lot of stuff. Hold on a second. It looks like a credit card, guys, literally. It's wicked. Oh, sorry. Here you go, thanks. This is what you get. You get this at 11,000 owner points or the 35. It looks like a credit card. You see the little ROBO puppy. Okay. And it is a girl. I will not tell you her name because it doesn't even say her name. I'll try to think of one while going to the kennel. And there is one there, just not the one I want. Oh, here it is. Oh, sorry. The state-of-the-art ROBO PUP is powered by dog food and plays well with real puppies. Oh, so it's powered by dog food. I did not know that fact. We need a black and pink one. A girl. Oh, there's Buddy and there's Sammy's puppy. Just the plain blue one. No. Man, I'm not getting much luck today. Normally I would find it by now. This is so boring. Trying to find the dog you want of the ROBO PUP is so hard. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Hopefully it's a girl. This one's pretty. Just my hand gets in the way. Oh, it's a girl. This female is very curious and loves to play with everyone. I've always wanted it. It's so cute. She's so adorable. I'm taking her. You coming with me? You coming with me? Sorry, guys. I'm just so excited. Here she is. It might take a little time for her to get used to her new surroundings. Spend some time getting to know your puppy until she feels more at home. So here's her status. She is plump, which is bad. But I will get her. This is her, guys. This is her. She's thirsty and hungry. That's the way that I like to bond with my dogs faster. You always have formula when you're getting like a new puppy, because it makes them grow faster and makes them way stronger in disc. If you've seen Chad in disc, holy moker, man, can he run. Diet food. I'm loving her. After this, I'll have to save it, so in case my DS dies. But here she is. She's so adorable. Oh, I got a good name. I found this of a wee character. It's a really good name. I think I got really good girl names. Like Lexi, I got off the Ant Farm, like that popular girl. Savannah got off the little pet shop video that I was watching. And my ROBO PUP is Eva. That's going to be her name. So let's bond with her. Am I right? Is that her name? Oh, yeah, that's Eva. She seems to quite calm down a bit. Have you been thinking about your puppy naming your puppy? Sorry, I messed it up. Good, it's time for you to name her by saying her name out loud. Performance loudly like this. Okay, ready, guys? Eva. Eva. I got a good voice in here, but in the video I got like a deep. Eva. Eva. Probably because I'm in the basement. She learned her name. You better make a note before you forget. Okay. I don't think you want to be watching her standing there. Whoopsies. Eva. Let's just make sure that is correct. Oh, yep, that is her name. EVA, spelled weird, but oh well. I would love her life. I'll train her right after Lexi. I'll go on walks with her. I'll train and all, just don't want to do competitions. You're such a good puppy. Such a good girl. Let's put some on her. Okay, what should we put on her, guys? Maybe something like pink or something, like a dog color. Ooh, that color's pretty. But think of something like light. Ooh, the bee. Ooh, the bee's pretty on her. If you guys can see it, sorry. If you can, but I can see it. Oh, it's right there. Oh, right there. Let's cute on her. Ooh, she's up close. Oh, it's funny. I'm thinking I should put like. Ooh, that is pretty on her. Too bad that's on Lexi.